Yeah, I'm Nigel Bailey. I'm retired. My last few years working, I was working as a college lecturer in Gloucester. My interests tend to be in the areas of walking or heritage, I suppose you'd call it. I run the Walking Well group in St Clair's, which I've done for 4 or 5 years now, ably helped by half a dozen other walk leaders, and it's really to encourage the over 50s to walk. And we offer a walk every other Wednesday of 3 or 4 miles. Something we have noticed is that since the group started 7 or 8 years ago, we are fitter. We do longer walks than we did. I enjoy devising walks, trying them out, and then sharing them with others, if you like, I suppose. The walking group is as much a social thing as a physical thing. And we always end up somewhere for coffee or lunch as well.